still here, people. I'm alive and well. I just made it through all that traffic, but sadly, I'm not at my drop off location yet. There was so much traffic, I had planned to make it before taking my break, but because traffic kind of slowed me down, I had to take my break before I got to my actual shipping destination. So I just pulled over real quick at this gas station called Sheets. I'm in Virginia right now, so it's pretty cold. There's actually ice on the floor, like on the ground, and it's raining, so that's a bad combination. But I just pulled in the truck to a truck stop. I mean, the gas station just really quick so I could take my quick break. And I was gonna stop on the side of the road, like I was gonna stop on the shoulder. Then I looked up and I saw there was a sign saying that there's a gas station. The exit was right there, so I took the exit, and it turns out it was the Sheets, a minute away from me. So I just came in. I came here, ordered something really quick. I was gonna eat the oatmeal I have, but I figured I wanted something because I didn't eat the whole time. I've been driving for 8 hours straight, so I feel like I deserve it. So that's about to be prepped for me right now. And I parked right over there. I'll show you real quick. So here's the truck. Like I said, parked it right by the gas station. The ice on the ground. And just like that, my break is over. Time to put my seat back to the, pull it back forward a little bit. Put my steering wheel back in driving position, and I gotta make a U-turn to leave this place. Let's see what we can do with this U-turn here. Hopefully it's not too much cars coming in when I'm trying to leave. Let's see if I can do what it do. The Colt guy's here. This guy's car, he just parked it in the wrong spot, man. It might be in my way. Yeah, I think it's in my way. Alright, that should do it. And there's another car coming in right now as we speak, so I'm gonna wait till they come in. And there's another car coming in, up 3 cars, so that's 1 car that just passed. Second one right here. 3rd car, and another one's coming, so now 4 cars.
Turn right on North Main Street.
Gotta cut the wheel all the way left right here. We made it, guys. cheese.
Oh man, geez, seriously?
So what's going on now? They got me like rushing from that last drop I was at to come to this drop to pick up this load because apparently we're the only team close enough to do this load. Only problem is the time we got here, because I had to finish the last load, was gonna make us late for this load. So I pretty much hurried up and dropped that one off. And I was in such a hurry that I forgot I had pulled the sliding release, and I pulled off. The trailer dropped. Luckily, it caught itself on the back of the truck, so I just, winded up a little bit, and then a yard jockey came and lifted up the rest of the way for me, because they have like hydraulics on their truck. So that was a funny story. Could have been a real bad story though, but it turned out good. Now I'm at FedEx gonna pick up this load here. They told me to find the trailer. I found it, but it has a zip tie on it. They told me the trailer should be empty. So this is not empty because it has a zip tie. So they're telling me to stand by. So I'm gonna see what they say to do. I am here at my next destination, and as y'all can see, it's a pretty rainy night tonight. It turns out there's like a tornado warning or something, or hurricane warning that's in effect. I'm sure y'all can see the wind blowing, how strong it is. It's been blowing the truck crazy. I was crossing a bridge and the crosswinds was knocking me left and right. It was a little bit scary, I'm not gonna lie, but I kept my cool, slowed down a little bit, and I handled the truck, but definitely a different experience. So now I'm looking for my parking slip. 131. The person I spoke to said it's by a wall. So I'm gonna keep on going until I see a wall. But yeah, that wind was scary. I've never really seen wind that strong or felt wind that strong before. I'm not gonna call it scary. It just caught me off guard a few times when the first time it hits you, it's like, what's pushing my truck? It's not me. It's the force of nature pushing it, and that just catches you off guard a little bit. Y'all can see the wind blowing the water on the floor. It's cold and it's wet at the same time. It's a bad combination. Cold, wet, and windy as hell. It's a bad combination. I would think I'm in Florida still, but I'm not. And that's a wrap, guys. Landing gear up. Got the landing gear up. I got the hoses removed, and I got the fifth wheel release as well. So back to the truck I go and pull off. See, it's a rainy day today. No one likes trucking in the rain. Good morning, guys. Just starting a new day today. Just woke up, starting my shift. We're at a truck stop. This is the day after the storm. So hurricanes, tornadoes, rain, wind. And I'm gonna wash my bowl out because it's been sitting there for a while. I know that's gonna have a nasty smell when I wash it. This looks like we're in, I can't tell, but it's really cold. It's like 35 degrees out here, so we're probably somewhere up north. I'm just trying to use the bathroom really, brush my teeth, so I can start my shift.